How to check and manage spam messages in the Yahoo Mail app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can check and manage the spam in the Yahoo Mail app. So if you're dealing with unwanted emails or want to take control of your spam folder, this video will guide you through it. So let's just jump right in. First of all, let's look at how can you check your spam folder. After you have opened your Yahoo Mail app on your phone, on the left sidebar at the bottom of the screen, you will be seeing different folders here. So tap on the spam folder. So when you tap on this inbox section, you can find the spam folder. When you go to the spam, you will be finding all of your spam emails here. So if you receive an email that looks suspicious or unwanted and it hasn't been marked as spam, you can manually mark it yourself as well if you want by just going to the inbox section and tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the message and mark it as spam. For example, this one right here. Just tap on the more tab and mark it as spam. After it is marked, in order to go ahead and delete it, you can go to the spam option here. And so if you have lots of those kind of spam emails and they are getting cluttered in the spam section, it is a good idea to clean it up regularly. So to delete all the emails in the spam folder, go to the spam folder. After that, tap on the three dots, or you can select and tap on delete and confirm this message and it will be deleted. And this is how you remove it. Otherwise, you can tick mark on this section and tap on this delete and confirm it, and that is how you do it. Now you know how to check, manage, and organize your spam in the Yahoo Mail app. Keeping your spam folder under control can help you avoid clutter and ensure you don't miss an important emails. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.